Hey guys, it's Jim from the Jim on Homes channel. A friend of mine, Eric, had a problem in his house with his electrical system. He said that some of the outlets weren't working and there was a breaker that had not tripped yet. And he traced it down, he replaced the outlet himself, and he brought me the old outlet and showed it to me. And I'm going to show it to you guys. Here's the outlet that he sent me. Now, looks pretty normal. What I'm seeing is it is a 20 amp. Whenever you see that little T shape over there, that is signifying 20 amps. Other things I noticed about this, it seems to be a high quality outlet. Um, Turn it over here, and let's look at the back side of this thing. You can see where a wire had started to burn inside there. And it melted the plastic, and that's probably got a lot to do with it. But what I thought would be fun is why don't we take this thing apart and see if we can see what happened. So these little tabs here, I think if I can get those cut off, from what I can see, it looks like the metal should come off of there. We can open this thing up and see what's going on. So I started to cut the first one with the multi-tool, and it loosened up, and I was able to pull this out, and that's what's holding those in. So let's try to get the other one. Okay, so removing those allows this bracket to come off. Now this bracket is what the grounding system is hooked up to, and it is insulated from the rest of the outlet through the outside of the outlet itself. Now let's see if we can take this thing apart. So with that wire that was sticking out through the rear of the outlet that is also melted, coming through the entire outlet, melting its way into the face, tells me one thing for sure. Obviously, when they stripped it, even though there is the wire guide on the back side, they stripped way too much of the sheathing off of that wire when they installed it. But that is the hot side of the outlet. So what would cause the hot side to all of a sudden start having a problem? You can see how burned that is. And so that was arcing and melting the inside of this receptacle for probably quite a while. And that really wouldn't happen unless there was some kind of arcing where the hot was getting to the neutral in here. And so my best guess as to what's going on would be that the screw out here was probably close to the box, which is typically tied to the ground, and arcing occurred between the box itself and the outlet. My friend Eric just brought me the outlet as it is, and I haven't seen the house yet, but that's my best guess of what's going on. I am not an electrician. I am just a home inspector, a contractor, builder, and a realtor. So if anybody else has any ideas of what would cause this, let me know in the comments. Hopefully. Now that I've removed where the hot side, when you plug in an outlet, it would go slide between those bars there. Now that I removed it, you can see just how much heat had to be accomplished in this one side to cause the problem. I mean, it's pretty much melted the screw into the little leg holder and melted that plastic right down to pretty much nothing. Also, it should be known that outlets do wear out. They wear out in time. It's not a device that's meant to last forever and ever and ever. And occasionally you're going to have to replace them. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button, subscribe button, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you.